Okay, guys, so welcome to a new week, and today I'm here to analyze the XAUUSD. That's the gold. I'm here to analyze gold, and let's see what we have on gold. Since last week, gold have been kind of like very bullish. Since last week, been uptrending. So there was a setup I missed. I don't know if I post the video, so I missed the setup, and it has been uptrending since then. So as you can see right here, this is the current situation on gold. This is the current situation on gold. So gold have been kind of like bullish since this particular zone. So there was a buy zone I saw. I missed this particular zone because it was just a tap in. It was just a tap in. So since then, I want to measure from there to the current market price right now. So I have about 7,000 pips from here, from this particular place which I bought 7,000 pips right to the upside here. So this was happening on gold right now, and I'm just looking for a kind of like a pullback. I'm looking for more pullbacks to buy because gold is buying and we're not allowed to sell right now. So this is the all-time high. The all-time high for gold before now is the all-time high. So gold have reached a new all-time high, but before then this was the previous all-time high. This particular side, that's, let's make it the psychological level 3700. So let's make it the psychological level 3700 right here. 3700 this particular psychological level. So after the cycle level, you can see there was a retest and a pullback, a retest, a pullback on that zone when the price tapped in that particular. So gold is going to hit a new psychological level, and I'm going to show you the psychological level which I am expecting the price of gold to get to after now, because this is a new break. So you can see on this cycle level it has been kind of like a resistance zone. So if I am looking for a new support right now, or I am looking for a new buy now, or we are going to make here this psychological level, this previous psychological level, which is our resistance, on the support level. So this is what I mean. So if I am waiting for a buy right now on gold, I would love the price to get back here. So I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Should in case, I would love the price to tap back here, making this psychological level a retest zone, that's a support zone. Then I'll get to buy again. So this is what I'm expecting on gold. This is what I'm expecting on gold, for this cycle level to become a support zone. This cycle level, which was a resistance zone, so resistance turn support. Now I'm gonna buy gold more. So this 3700, the next psychological level which gold will be tapping in next now would be this 3800. This is our next take profit here. So this should be our next take profit. So but however the price is going to do, we don't know. Price will consolidate to do a lot of things here, ups and downs, a lot of ups and downs, but this is our target, right? This is our target. The market is going to consolidate. It's going to, it's going to move up. It's not going to come straight to this point, and it's not something that gold cannot do. Gold can do that. It can go straight to the upside, and there's nothing we can do about it. But all we need now is to get a buy point, just to get this buy. So we're not going to join this buy right now because the buyers which are active here, they are going to take their profit. So the buyers are going to take their profit once the price gets to some certain level right now. You see the buyers taking profit. So once the buyers are taking their profits, you see the price start coming down. The price will come down, making this psychological level now a support level for us to buy. Then if this psychological level now becomes a support to buy, all we're going to do is to join the new buyers which are coming into the market, because after now there is going to be a new buyer. These buyers, they are those ones that bought from this particular side, those buyers that bought here, those people that bought here, they are the one riding the market, pushing the market up, as you can see. So we'll be waiting for new buyers to get into the market. So once this one should leave the market right now, then the new buyers will come, then we'll join the new buyers. But before then, we'd love to see a pullback, giving us a position or giving us a level to enter. So to use my fib zone for the confirmation or for extra confirmation, because we would normally use fib level, but sometimes or most times when the price have pushed far from your zones, coming back down, there's every possibility that the price won't come back to your zone here before it keeps going, because it's bullish and the force is kind of like much, so we'll see more buys than sells. So I'm gonna draw my fib zone around this zone. I'm gonna draw my fib zone around here. Making here right now, I'm gonna use 61, 50 and the 38. So I'm gonna use the 50 zone, the 61 and the 38. This is the zone I'm waiting to buy. So anything that happened in between this zone, the psychological level and this particular zone, oh sorry, so delete this. This is what we have here. So the psychological level is right be above here. So the psychological level is right above here, in between this zone. That's it there. And we have a Fibonacci zone right below here. So there's every possibility of tapping in, maybe a weak rejection over here, or I don't know how it's gonna play out. But once the price push down here, the momentum from it pulling down, that's how we'll know if the price is going to stop here and continue, or if the price is going to stop here before it continues back up. So all we should do now is just wait for any of this to happen, to any of this get a confirmation in between these zones, then you can buy gold once more. So stay active, mark up your zones here. Just mark up this psychological level 3700 and stay active, so whenever the price taps in back there, that level might turn a resistance, that level might turn a resistance, or that resistance level might turn a support. So the resistance level might turn a support, so can buy from that particular zone, and let's see how everything plays out. So I'll see you in the next video, and this is all I have on gold. Stay active and let's see how it plays out.